In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the zoom extents issue in AutoCAD 2025. You know, that frustrating problem where your drawing suddenly disappears or zooms way too far out. Whether you're a beginner or a daily AutoCAD user, this quick troubleshooting guide will help you get your view back to normal and keep your workflow running smoothly. Alright, let's get started. Imagine this: you're working on your drawing. You type zoom extents, expecting to see your entire design clearly, but instead, everything shrinks down to a tiny dot or vanishes from sight. What's happening? Don't worry, this usually means there are stray objects placed far away from your main drawing area, and they're throwing off the zoom function. Here's how to fix it fast. First, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything in your drawing. Once you do, look around your workspace carefully. You might notice blue grips or selection boxes appearing way off in the distance. Those are your culprits. These are random lines, text, or tiny points that accidentally got placed far from your design. Now, all you have to do is delete those stray objects. Just hit the delete key and you'll instantly clean up your drawing space. Once that's done, type Z and press enter to use zoom extents again. In most cases, this fixes the issue right away. But wait, what if it doesn't? Sometimes the problem hides inside invisible layers. Let's fix that too. Go to the Layer Properties Manager and make sure every layer is turned on and thawed. Once everything's visible, press Ctrl+A again to reselect all objects. You might be surprised to find even more stray elements that were hidden before. Go ahead and delete those as well. After cleaning up all layers, type Z one more time and there you go. Your drawing should snap back into view perfectly, centered and ready to work on. No more zooming into empty space or losing track of your design. To avoid this happening again, here's a quick tip. Try running the overkill command occasionally to remove duplicate or unnecessary objects. Keeping your drawing tidy ensures zoom extents works flawlessly every time. And that's all there is to it. By following these easy steps, you can fix the disappearing drawing issue and keep your AutoCAD projects organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick AutoCAD fixes. See you in the next one.